Hey folks, what's up? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this really cool model I just designed. Check it out. This is an origami grasshopper. And see? And it's nice and detailed. And it's not really that hard to fold, even though it looks pretty hard. You'll see though. But yeah, so it's a really cool model, and it's got a nice body right there. That part with the lines, I don't know what that's called, but yeah. It's got a nice body here. And it's got nice legs sticking up, and a nice head. And I even put a couple reverse folds to make legs. And yeah, and I want to say that this is actually a model that I refined. This grasshopper is actually related to a grasshopper I learned in this origami book, Origami Folding Fun Instructions Guide. See? And here it is right here. It's on page 22 and 23. And there it is right there. See, that's the completed model. So this model actually starts out with this model, and then I refined it a lot better. And this is my version right here. So in this video, we're first gonna fold that one, and then I'll show you to turn it into this, so the more detailed. So all right, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I used a 6-inch square of foil origami paper. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fold it from a 7-inch square of kami. You could use a sheet of printer paper cut square. And from normal origami paper, you'll get a model like this. Okay, here we go. But I recommend using foil for your first try. Okay, so let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. This is a rather challenging model, so if you're new to folding, I don't know if I recommend it. It's not that bad. Alright, and now fold in half the other way. This is a pretty easy model. I was joking earlier. Okay. And now rotate like this and fold this up. This is really to taste, but you want to fold it up so that all these lengths are equal, so it makes I don't know what kind of triangle that's called, but yeah, just make sure all these things are equal. Okay, just about like this. It's to taste. And repeat on this side. And you can fold this point to this point. Okay, and voila, there is the simple grasshopper. So that is the super simple version of it. So that was only like, I don't know, like 4 steps. Okay, and now if you want to make the more complex version, the more detailed one, then here goes. Okay, so let's first make the lines to make the body. So let's flatten it like this. Make sure one's overlapping. And now we're gonna turn over like this. And let's fold this point up to here, but don't fold it, just make a crease mark. Okay? And now take this point and fold it to the crease mark. And fold all the way across. And fold this point to here. Okay. And now we're gonna fold this point to here. Okay, unfold, and now zoom in and fold to the intersection. Okay, unfold, and now fold this up so that this crease aligns with this line. And make sure this point aligns with the middle crease going up. Okay, and now I'm gonna fold this up right over the edges, like this. Okay, now at this point you can actually choose how many lines you want to put on here. I think it's easiest to just do this much for now, so for your first try. But you can make as many as you like if you want. Okay, but I'm just gonna keep it like this. So now we're gonna make some pleats. So we're gonna fold this up, and you want to fold it up halfway like that. See on the side there? So halfway towards that point. It's kind of to taste, actually. Okay? And now do that all the way up. Just make them however you can, however you'd like. It's up to you. And this last one. To taste. Okay, and now turn over, and let's make these nice and sharp. Be careful so you don't tear the paper on those edges. So be really careful. Alright. And now, we're going to take this edge and fold it to this edge. And it gets pretty thick here, so just do your best. And repeat on this side. Fold this edge to here. Okay, like this. And there is the body. And if it kind of sticks out right there, just kind of just fold that in. We want this to be a nice triangle. There we go, that's good. Alright, and now let's fold the grasshopper in half. Like this. And be really careful. Alright. And you can keep the legs like this if you want, but I'm gonna kind of shape them a little bit to make them more realistic looking. So this is all to taste. So just, I'm gonna make a fold connecting this point, or maybe at least to that point. I don't know. And just do it to about there. It doesn't need to go all the way to the edge. And same right here. So I'm gonna make a fold from here to this point, and it can be like a curved fold. All right, like this. You know, it doesn't need to be sharp. And now bring those folds together. Remember, if this is too challenging, then oh god, I just tore the paper right there. It's alright, it's fine. But yeah, if this is too hard for you, then how it was is good. Okay, and repeat on this side. To taste. Okay, there, that's good enough. Alright, now open here and we're going to airplane fold these sides. Don't fold them directly to the middle. I mean, you could if you want, but I think it looks better if you fold it about like that. To taste. And repeat on this side. Just look at it from here. Alright, and now close up the model. And now just kind of just shape it to taste. Sculpt it. Especially on the thorax right here. I think that's what it's called, the thorax. It's the body part they have with all the lines on them. Like, look at this picture. That picture. Okay, that's good enough. I'm happy with that. Alright, yeah, just make a couple folds there. Oh yeah, that's better. Alright, maybe if you'd like, you can draw an eye right here. There you go. Maybe do it on the other side too. Yep, there's our grasshopper. Or it can be a cricket. If you fold it from brown paper, it can be a cricket. And yeah, but the crickets and grasshoppers are very similar, so yeah. So this model can be both. It can be a cricket or a grasshopper. But yeah, so there you have it. And yeah, I like crickets better than grasshoppers because they make noise. But alright, anyways, enough with that. So there it is, the Origami Grasshopper or cricket. Well, hope you're able to fold that, and make sure you subscribe, and if you did manage to fold it, make a demo of it, and I'd like to see it. Alright, see you guys later. Oh, and I almost forgot, you can make a couple reverse folds on the legs to make a couple front legs. And this is to taste. Just make a reverse fold, about like that. And then the same right here too. There you go. Now it's got front legs. Yep, and there it is, the Origami Grasshopper. Alright, see you guys later.